Very good. So please be seated. So now class, so do we have any absent today?
Yes, ma'am.
Did I give you an assignment, class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, by the way, class, here are our classroom rules. So, restrict everyone in the classroom. Use kind words in actions. 3. Listen when others are speaking. The number 4, engage in your learning. So, the last one is stay safe and responsible. So, but before we proceed to our next activity, let's have first recall about what have you learned from our last discussion. So, yes, Kate, okay, very good. Our last discussion is all about planting, it's all about principles and elements of design. So, and now, let's have a activity titled Unscramble Words. So, I want five students to come in front and answer this activity. So yes, Kate, Adelina, Nicole, and Rose. So, very good. All of your answers are correct. So, let's give them a 5 clap. So, now class, based on the activity, what do you think is our topic for today? Okay, very good. Our topic for today is all about renewable energy. And here is the class. Is the learning objectives. So, Nicole, can you please read the learning objectives? Okay, thank you. So, now let us learn about the different sources of energy that we use in our daily life. So, what are some sources of energy that you know? Yes, Nicole. Okay, very good. The sun, wind, and the water. So before we proceed to our discussion, let's have first another activity that we call is the energy. So here the direction. So look at the pictures and identify what source of energy shown and raise your hand if you want to answer. So the first picture is, so who wants to, okay, yes, Avelina, very good. The pictures is solar energy. So the second one, yes, Kate, very good, Kate, it is a wind energy. So the third one, yes, Larissa, okay, very good, it is a hydro power. So the next one is, yes, Jimboy. Okay, very good. It is a biomass energy. In the last one, so who wants to answer the last one? Very good. It is a geothermal energy. So now, okay, class. So what can you say about the activity? Is it difficult or not? Okay, very good. So these are examples of different sources of renewable energy. So today we will be discussing the different types of renewable energy. So based on our activity earlier, can anyone tell me some sources of renewable energy? Very good. The sun, wind, and the water. Water transit from the ground. So let's proceed to the first. So the first one is renewable energy. So the renewable energy means come from natural sources that are naturally replaced. It helps us gain electricity without harming the environment. So the next one, make electricity for homes and schools. So now let's proceed to the hydropower. So hydropower is energy from flowing or pulling water. It uses dams or water turbines to generate electricity. So what do you use hydropower for? Okay, very good. So the next one is biomass energy. Liza, can you please read the biomass energy? Okay, very good. So biomass energy comes from burning plants, organic waste, or other biological materials. So, okay. So the last one is geothermal energy. So, yes, Jimboy, can you please read the geothermal energy? Okay, thank you, Jimboy. So, geothermal energy comes from heat inside the earth, like hot spring or underground steam. So what equipment do you use for geothermal energy, class? Okay, the wells pipes in. So is it clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So class, these are the differences of the renewable energy. So do you have any questions, clarification about them? Okay, so now class, let's practice identifying the type of renewable energy. For each scenario, I will first ask you a question, then read the scenario, then think carefully and raise your hand if you know the answer. So the scenario number one. So Anna turns on the lights in her room using electricity generated from the water flowing flowing water in a nearby river. So very good. They go into see hydropower. So the second scenario. So being uses a small solar panel to charge this phone while sitting in the garden. So the answer number 2 is solar energy. So number 3, Carla sees smoke coming from a plant that burns food waste produce energy for cooking. Okay, very good, Liza. It is a biomass energy. So the next one, Eagles School uses a wind turbine to generate electricity for their classroom. Okay, very good. It is a wind energy. So the last one, the last scenario is Ila visits a tree that uses steam from underground hot spring to heat the water. So who can tell me the answer the number 5? Okay, very good. It is a geothermal energy. So with the class, these are the different types of renewable energy and how they are used in real life. So it seems like you really listen to me while discussing. So now let's have an activity. So class, please read the direction. Okay, thank you, class. So now class, let's have another activity. Other activity. I will show different activities. If you know the answer, raise your hand and write the answer on the board. So direction. Identify what renewable energy sources being used in each situation. Raise your hand if you want to answer. So yes, Liza, Nicole, Kate, and Rose didn't text me. Oh, very good. All of your answers are correct. So, again, class, what was our topic is all about? Very good. It's all about renewable energy. So, can you give me one example of renewable energy? Yes, Kate? Okay, very good. One of example of renewable energy is solar energy. the next one. So, what happens when we use solar energy? Very good. It uses sunlight to produce energy. So, the renewable energy help our community. Very good. So, now class, let's study short quiz. Read each question carefully and choose the correct answer. So, are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for your assignment, so make an advanced study for our next topic. So, that's all for today, class. Thank you.